So hello, today I'm going to show you some proper exhausts, so you can have a bit of that fucking culture too. Okay, let's do it. This is a Yamaha V-Max 1700 motorcycle. This motorcycle has a huge displacement fork four-cylinder engine. You can probably already hear the brutal sound of exhausts from the manufacturer Esper. This is perhaps the most brutal sound I have ever heard. It's incredible to ride such a motorcycle and have four fucking exhausts under your ass. My dad always said they built a brutal big engine and the rest of the bike around it. This engine was already incredibly large in the weaker older version. The sound of four exhausts is incredible. Judge for yourself and write a comment. Voodoo exhausts are not that well known, but because they are fucking loud, the whole world will soon know about them. Akrapovic exhausts, one of the best exhaust manufacturers in the world, let down our expectations a bit here. The sound is nothing extra. It's beautiful, it's clean, but it lacks the charm, the way the whole street needs to know you're going to work in the morning. It gets a 6 out of 10 for me. If you hear it differently, comment.